Hello and welcome. My name is Robin and this is my channel. I have a new box to unbox at my channel. It is called Fire and Nice. It is a lifestyle unboxing. But before I get into it, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. If you like this video and its content, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Tap the bell button so that you get notified of my future video, and a thumbs up if you like it. I would so appreciate it. And if you're returning to my channel, thank you so much, and another new unboxing. I know you guys wonder where I find these. I think this was a Cratejoy. So of course I will leave the link to Cratejoy and to this box. I don't know if I've seen another YouTuber unbox this or not, but I was really excited. I did my research. I want to say it was like $45. There was a coupon for 10 or 15%, but I'll leave all that information below. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I am doing some videos on a Monday, so let's get into it. It comes beautifully wrapped, and if I remember, it had lifestyle, beauty, just some fun items in there. And of course, my little trail mix in purple. I have got to learn to bring a box or a bag so that I can just throw this stuff in. And I think weather update 105, 110. So it's really hard to put on a lot of makeup or skincare because it just kind of melts on my face. And oh, might even be a bath unboxing. Now, I'm not a big bath taker. I'm more of a shower taker. So I do like shower steamers, and occasionally I will take a bath. And I don't see a card, but there's so much of this in here that it could be buried deep below. And the first thing that I am taking out is, I can't read it. Is it beach? I've got to find some glasses. It's a candle. Oh my God. I know you can't smell, but at least I can show it to you. I wish I can read this. I think it says beach something. But it smells, I'm not sure what it smells like. But it's really nice. I wish there was a card. And the next thing, Candied Violet Mani Pedi Pumice Scrub. Apply liberally to damp hands and feet. Gently buff and rinse thoroughly. It looks like purple goop, so it's fun. I don't know what it, oh my goodness. It looks like sponge, so I hope you don't mind. I'm gonna feel it. It is definitely scrubby. Oh my gosh. It smells so good. I put on a little if you can see it. So, it's gonna feel good in the shower. And oh my God, it smells so good. So it is for your hands and feet. So how cool is that? And what it, as I said, it looks like a goop or something, but when you're in the shower, you can just rub it on your hands. Oh, look, I match. You can rub it on your hands and feet, and I bet you it feels great. So I can see why I wanted to try this box. And then we have a big ball. I'm assuming it's a bath bomb. This one doesn't, oh wait, Ritzy Bath Angel Bath Bomb. So that is huge. So that's really nice. And the nice thing about these boxes, and if you try them or unbox them, or you see somebody like me unbox them, what a great gift it would be. And then we have a little one, and I don't see a sticker on here. So I don't know if it's a bath bomb or a shower steamer, but this one doesn't, it smells good, but it doesn't have a sticker on it, but it's smaller, but it's still probably a bath bomb. It's too big to be a shower steamer. So we'll put that one on there. So far a fun, great smelling box. And then, ooh, how pretty is that? This is a Mayflower bath bomb. Add bomb to bath water. Weeping bath water? It's hard to read because it's in a different, but what a cute bath bomb. And the nice thing is, I said, these make great gifts. I still haven't found a card yet. Ooh, is this lips? Muah Shimmer Bath Bomb. Add entire bomb to warm water. I think this is lips. I'm not sure what way it goes, but a fun bath bomb. Oh, there's still more. Another huge bath bomb. And I don't want to unpackage this one. See if I can read through it. Bath bomb. I can't read through it, but I can smell through it, and it smells delicious. So another huge, so quite the items in here, and I'm still going strong. Ooh, another goopy. It's got avocado oil, olive oil. I don't know if it says, oh, right on the top. Unicorn Fluff, 2 ounces of whipped bath soap. Use in your bath or shower on a loofah or as a shave cream. Just a dollop goes a long way. It's that like spongy stuff. I wish you guys can smell, because the smells are just divine. Wow. And then there's this huge jar, Chocolate Orchard 8-ounce hand-poured soy vegan candle, made in Indiana. It did say chocolate. That's what it looks like. I could sit there and smell this all day. So that's the second candle we got in the box. Oh, maybe another candle. It's got a little unicorn with eyelashes. Unicorn Magic 7-ounce hand made vegan candle. Let's see what this one smells like. Oh, it's got something in there. 2 hours of burn time, but it's got something in there. It smells like I'm not sure what it has in there, but there's something in there. It smells like candy. So now this would make an awesome gift, or you can even split it up and get 2 gifts out of there. And there's something at the bottom. I really wish they would put a card in here. Oh my goodness, whatever is at the bottom weighs a ton. Ooh, this is like a chunk of something. Kauai Spa Soothing Bath Salts. Pink, and again, I can't read this word. Himalayan Salt, Epsom Salt, Organic Rosebud Fragrance. I wish you can feel it. It's like a brick of salt. And of course, I'm gonna smell it. That smells so good. And I think that is everything in the box. Again, the only thing is they don't put a card in here. I guess they don't really have to. It all speaks for itself. But what great products. Lots of bath bombs. If you really like to take baths, and there's some stuff for the shower, this is a great box. Let me know what you thought of this. I did kind of like the lippy thing. It's got a lot of bath bombs in here. So this is everything that I got in my box. Again, I will leave the link and the price. I want to say it was like $45. It's a fun little box. I think I have one more of these boxes coming. I don't know how long I'm going to keep it because it did look like it's geared more towards baths. And again, I'm not a big bath taker. I guess if I had a clawfoot bathtub, I would probably take more baths. But again, comment, and you guys have an awesome day.